Well, I thought I'd share what I've been up to this week, and I've been making a mess in my studio. That bin down there was half full of junk. I didn't know what was in it, and I went through it and I sorted it onto this table, into bins. If this bin, I got a little bit down there, and then this is all the jewelry I found that I can list. This box, which is a small Home Depot box, but you can see by my hand it's a pretty decent sized box, and I've got it full of jewelry I can list. These are all just buttons and mostly brooches, but then some buttons on top. I've got this pile of stuff I've got to go through. It's beads, and these are cross charms, and just every little thing that I went through and just piled up here to go through and sort and put into the proper container, which would be over there or up there, because I have pendants and charms up there. These are all beads. This is some of my handmade jewelry I brought in here, but you can see there is chains and findings and beads. I mean, just all kinds of stuff. And then I was sorting and putting stuff that I need to fix. Like this, the stone came out, and the stones came out of that. And then this is an earring I thought maybe I could make a bracelet out of or do something fun with. And this is a bracelet that needs a clasp. So that's what this bucket is. It's just stuff that needs repair. My rhinestone jewelry bin went from being full to being down to just a little bit. There's stuff like beautiful necklaces that are missing a stone that I can take apart and use for little projects. It's just missing that one. Otherwise, that would have been perfect. So a lot of this stuff was from boxes I got from Goodwill years ago. I put a lot of stuff into this drawer and a lot of stuff into this embellishment drawer. I put some rhinestones in that drawer. That's the missing drawer over here. This is all stuff I have taken out of my resale room to list. So you can see my organized room is kind of blown up, but it's all stuff I'm working on. And I've been having a blast in here, not really listing much, but just going through. So I'm going to do some listings today, and in between, maybe take one of these containers, fill it up, bring it over to my desk and sort it into piles to put away. I've also been working on some sequin lots as well that I'm going to be posting on Mercari and eBay. I've just got so many sequins I'm not using. I mean, seriously, look at these bins. Full. All these are sequins. Look at all these are sequins to here. Those are all sequins. And then those are sequins. Those are sequins. Those are sequins up there. And then that's felt. And I don't know, I think there's some sequin ribbon down there. And then these are all my seed beads. So I'm just going through this, and a lot of it, I'd say, even my treasured sequins, I'm gonna probably about a quarter of them purge in kits and lots like this. So this is one I'm gonna be listing. I'm experimenting with Mercari again. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna put it on Mercari or eBay. But I'm just experimenting. I've got more stuff here that I'm going through to list. I mean, just so many things that I have that I'm going through. And at least I got the jewelry all sorted and bagged and in here. And all the brooches and pins, because I've got a lot of brooches in here. Some are missing a stone, so I'll lot some of those up. And but that's what I've been up to. And this is my big pile of stuff I've got to go through and figure out. Like, this is all the stuff. This is what's left of that bucket that I did not sort yet. This is what's left. And you can see it's an assortment of charms and bits and pieces of beads. And this whole bin here is just findings and beads. But I got that bin from, well, one time it was full, but it was down to about half full to a table full. And then I have this bin back here too of more of that kind of stuff that I've more sorted. Pendants, these are mainly pendants that I've got to figure out where to store. So I've been and this is some stuff I've listed over here. And then earrings I'm going to list. So I've been busy, having fun. And I thought I'd just kind of show you what I'm doing. I might take you through some of this stuff as I sort through it, if I have like a nice looking pile that you might enjoy. So you might see a few little short videos come up that are just me going through some of these piles and showing you what I have. I think that one back there you'd probably enjoy with all the pendants and stuff. Some of it I'm keeping, some of it will be sold, some of it will be made into stuff I sell. But it's all going to be a lot of fun. So that's what I've been up to this week, and I've been having a blast. I haven't gotten as many things listed because I've been doing this, but I'm really excited to finally have that bin empty. Those are all sequins that are for selling. They're all like vintage, and some ones I bought in a big lot, all the ones up on top there. Those are all ones I sell. I usually keep them right up there by my pipe cleaners. But that's what I've been up to. So I'll be back with a bunch of short videos showing me going through some of this stuff just for the fun of it. But I'll be back soon. I just thought I'd share what I've been up to. Bye.